Oh, jeez, Pete. That's one of the things for us. I just got put under a tornado warning. Oh, God. Jeez. They're gonna go off any minute. They just put out a tornado watch for Pittsburgh and Charleston. Ah.
Southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northern Pickering County, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Grove City, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, South Bloomfield, Odessa, Commercial Point, Lycopolis, Rockport, Darbyville, Bryce, Blacklick Estates, Duval, Slate Run Metro Park, and Derby. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILS and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
What? Oh, tornado watch, that's right.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There we go. I'm gonna go figure out what to do because it's been over 10 years since I was put under a tornado warning last, and I've never been in one here.